Kaka-copy-paste mo, kaka-copy mo ng mga scripts sa YouTube and stuff. Oh guys, gayahin nyo tong script na to, it will work, bro. If there's 1,000 VAs na kinopy-paste yun, bro, are you kidding me, di ba?
Yeah.
You need to be, at the same time, unique. You need to be yourself. You really need to understand gana. Nasan ka? Ano lang yung meron ka, hindi yung like copycat. Kasi on our own experience, when we fake our resume and stuff, we did that, guys. And for us, natawid namin yung mga time na yun, pero we don't suggest it because when we got hired, we don't know anything. Di namin alam anong gagawin namin and hindi kami natutulog kasi hindi namin aralin tong specific skills na to. So guys, don't fake it. We don't believe on fake it till you make it. Talagang you really need to have the time, you know. Kasi when you're starting as a VA, all you have is time. That's the biggest value, currency you currently have. And the thing that you can offer is your time.
Every time you fake something sa pagpasok mo as a VA, it will totally slow down your progress kasi you're skipping the basics. And I think that's like one thing why people doesn't excel as fast enough. Let's say may dalawang tao, John and Will. Example lang. Let's say John fake his resume, fake everything, his skills, zero knowledge, pero naisip niya, i-YouTube ko na lang to mamaya katapos kong ma-hire. I just have to make sure na I get through this. Yan, may script siya, chinat GPT niya lahat, nagbabasa siya sa interview, and he got hired. So, nakapasok siya dun sa business na yun as a social media manager, sabihin na. And let's say Will was so honest, sinabi niya dun sa employer na, I have zero experience. I have level 2 skills, pero my interest in learning more is above level 10. So, siyempre yung employer, he'll understand na level 1 or level 2 skill yung hinahire niya. But knowing that person doesn't have the entire criteria that I have, will have enough time and understanding na where he is right now rather than John na nai-stress na kasi hindi niya alam kung paano gawin. 3, 6, 9 months later, because Will was honest enough to his employer will help him grow. Unlike John na binubusan lang learning everything on his own. And I guarantee you, Will go further than John. Sabi natin kahit si John, nakakuha siya agad ng 50, 60,000 client. Let's say $2,000 client and Will only got like 600. 6-9 months later, I am 100% sure na if they reapplied again with their current skill and the current, let's say, experience that they have, will not just double or triple what he's currently making or previously making. I think that's one thing that you have to apply on yourself, especially once you're starting as a VA.
We don't really advise this and we want this podcast to be a transparent kung ano talaga experience namin. We're not faking and stuff, and kasi we don't really suggest it on our personal experience nga, gaya nga nung example nga na mention mo, it is something like that.